3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new episode of a brand new podcast, which is called the Ghanta Podcast. Yay! So today I have two of my best friends with me. You guys might have seen them before in my vlogs if you follow my YouTube channel. This is Rupali, aka Baba.
Yeah.
And this is Drishti, aka Nothing.
Hi guys.
Oh, Drishti, aka Hi Vlogs.
Hi vlog.
तो आज हम लोगों ने प्लान करा कि बिकॉज आई एम इन न्यूयॉर्क सिटी, ये लोग तो यहीं पर रहते हैं, तो मैंने प्लान करा कि वी आर गोना शूट अ पॉडकास्ट. वी हैव नो प्लान्स, आई हैव नो नोट्स, हम किस बारे में बात करेंगे, क्या करेंगे. वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड एनीथिंग. वी आर जस्ट गोना स्टार्ट. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. हाउ इज योर डे गोइंग?
Amazing. As usual. और क्या बढ़िया चल रहा है सब. आप बताएं.
मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि मेरे को बहुत पसीने आ रहे हैं. क्या मुझे अकेले को ही आ रहे हैं?
नहीं you are sweating.
राइट.
अरे तू मेरे सामने
तू हिल गई ना. अब कैमरे से बाहर निकलेगी तू फिर.
अच्छा ठीक सॉरी. अब सुन तो कॉन्शियस हो रहा है मेरे साथ, पता तेरे को.
हाँ, इतने बड़े लोग आसपास बैठे हो तो इंसान कॉन्शियस हो ही जाता है. ये तो बात सही है.
It's hot also today, so
It is.
really hot.
So it's. I guess this is the hottest it's been in New York City since a while.
It's like LA weather.
It is LA weather. By the way, she just moved to LA, like from New York to LA.
Yay!
Do you wanna?
making it official.
Yeah, we are making it official. अब तो है official, right?
Yes.
So let's talk about like how's the experience? How's the LA life? Like, is it how it looks? कि Hollywood ऐसा सब चकाचक या फिर it's kind
I
of
mean
different?
it is chakachak, but I would say कि बहुत ही it's very quieter there. Or I miss New York because here New York people are like really lively. उनके एकदम मस्त चिल रहते हैं, मजे करते हैं. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि LA में मजे नहीं करते, but LA is like, I mean, I don't want to offend anyone, but it's for like retirement plan, people who are retired. It's like really slow.
But that's what people say about most of the cities. in
Yeah,
US.
it's like yeah, it's quieter and you don't see, like, it's not that happening as compared to New York. New York is very lively. Even if you see the homeless people here, they're like, yeah.
Do you have friends in LA?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Who's your friend in LA?
No, like my roommates are like pretty chill.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've started hanging out with them, but it will take time, obviously, and I miss these guys there. So yeah.
Obviously, no one can replace us.
Of course, everyone can.
But okay, so like that's all you wanna say about LA? मतलब कुछ interesting?
नहीं यार, LA is interesting. I'm not saying it's not interesting. मतलब if you live in like really good locations, and I don't think I've not been to all the places in LA yet. I'm still exploring. But जैसे आप terrace में बैठे हो, like where I live, वहाँ से you can see the Hollywood का sign. So when you're like evening में chill कर रहे हो terrace पे, you're looking at the Hollywood का sign. It's so good.
फिर?
You can
और बाकी क्या देख लिया? हॉलीवुड का साइन एक बार देख लिया, फिर क्या करे?
वही बस बात यही पता जाती. तुमने हॉलीवुड का साइन देख लिया, ठीक है, तुम कुछ टूरिस्टी प्लेस चले गए, तुमने वो भी देख लिया, फिर उसके बाद क्या? फिर सब कुछ शांत है एकदम. इट्स ऑल क्वाइट. एंड यार मेडिटेशन करने के लिए LA अच्छा है यार. मेरे जैसे इंसान के लिए, फॉर मी इट्स लाइक वेरी क्वाइट एंड आई एम लाइक वेरी, so that's a problem. But they have like really fancy places, like it's really good.
Okay, so before we move on, I want to say like today's video is sponsored by Meepo. Meepo is a brand which makes electric skateboards, and they have sent me an electric skateboard. So I'm going to show you, like I'm going to show you because I already unboxed it. As soon as it came, I was really excited, so I started unboxing, and here's the video. Hey guys, so Meepo has sent me this really cool electric skateboard. In New York City, a lot of people ride electric skateboards, and I always wanted one. And finally, thanks to Meepo, now I do have a really cool electric skateboard. I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is the box. We open it, and here is my skateboard. It's a little heavy because I'm a sweet, sensitive boy. And we've got a bunch of stuff with it. I've got this remote control to control the skateboard. I've got some batteries. I've got some bunch of other stuff. This is for the wheels, the charging cable. I have a manual. I'm really excited to ride this. So let's just go and try it out. I've been practicing it for a while and I think I've gotten really good at it. The only thing you need to remember is just go slow. There's no rush. And it's also really easy to turn. You just need a little bit of practice, but I promise it's super easy. You just go like this or this. This. It's like a little dance, but once you get it, you really get it. Let me tell you guys some more things. So basically when you press this button, that's how you switch on the skateboard. So you have to just press it and you see the lights. So this indicates the battery. So it's fully charged. And then this is our remote. You use our remote. Again, you're gonna press this and you see the lights. Now it's on. Now by this button, you can set different kind of modes. I usually prefer to go slow. So this is how you change your mode. I'm on this right now. And then basically to start your skateboard, you just, if you go up, the wheel's gonna move. And if you go down, that's brake. So once again, if you do this, the wheels are moving, but then I have to put brake, so I'll go down. Start, stop, start, stop. I've actually never been to LA. Like I still plan to.
I wanted him to come to LA.
Yeah, but instead we called her to New York. Do you want to tell the story about how she came to New York? Like
Okay,
how
so
it
let's
happened?
do it. So it's like a natural habit. 3 of us FaceTime every day or maybe twice a day at times.
Yeah.
So एक दिन सुबह we had all come back from our
Just saying the Lisa even thing.
एक दिन so we did our respective works and everything और फिर उसके बाद में हम बात कर रहे थे और अचानक से she was talking to us कि तुम लोग LA आ जाओ and all और उससे 2 दिन पहले ही मेरी और आबिर की बात हुई थी कि नहीं हो पाएगा because the dates
Yeah.
were clashing with some other things जो
नहीं हो
भी
पाएगा, लोग बहुत बिजी है, मैं बहुत खाली हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली तो फिर नहीं हो रहा था वो एंड अचानक से लाइक रूपाली एक काम करते हैं तू आ जा एंड आबिर स्टार्टेड विद द एंटायर थिंग ही वाज लाइक वेट लेट मी पुल आउट अ कैलेंडर एंड लेट मी चेक द डेट्स और सारी चीजें एंड वी फाउंड अ वीकेंड विच could have worked for all of us and then
the tickets were also very
The
cheap.
tickets were also
like that's
cheap.
the main reason.
that's
like
the main reason that the tickets
very
were
cheap,
very
right?
cheap like should we tell how much like
it's-
$200 round
no, less 198.
No, 198 okay so I'll tell you
आना
how we
जाना
did the ticket
like आना जाना
round
मिला
trip.
के that is cheap.
अब क्या हुआ कि when रूपाली had initially moved to LA so उसने अपने कार्ड डिटेल्स और अपना पासपोर्ट पिक्चर मेरे को और आबिर को शेयर किया था
like कार्ड डिटेल इसके पास थी, पासपोर्ट मेरे पास था.
And now she was like हाँ मैं कर लूंगी then we did a little texting the two of us and we were like एक काम करते हैं हम बुक कर देते हैं या फिर एटलीस्ट एक्ट करते हैं कि हमने बुक कर दी है
बैकग्राउंड में डाल दे.
and then she agreed and the moment she said yes so before she could even think about it twice continue
you were-
booking
yeah.
and that's how she
and it's like so because we went to Koreatown. There's this place in New York City, Koreatown, where we had like soju, which is a Korean drink, I would say. It comes inside of a watermelon and everything. And she saw my stories or reel or something, and she was like, "Oh, I want to have that. I miss New York." And I was like, "Yeah, why don't you come this week and we'll go." And she has been here, and tomorrow she's leaving, and we haven't been to Koreatown
are
yet.
we going tonight
I don't know. My throat is like gone today, but I'll still try.
I think we should go because that was the main reason
Now
why
guys, now I'm contemplating all my things in my life. Why I'm here?
but I will never delete her card details and passport.
You know, Drishti actually watches my podcast, but that's not her first preference. Her first preference is some other guy's podcast in India.
Please talk about him.
You really want to talk? Acha, talk.
Okay. So
I'll actually send it to him.
are you
Talk.
sure?
Yeah,
But then it will come out very cringe.
Yeah.
it might.
I don't think you should
It
do
might.
that.
Okay.
Say it without taking the name.
Yeah,
like
taking
just
the name.
yeah.
So there's this one guy, and
Give more details on where does he live, what kind of like.
okay, so I initially he went to a music school in New York, and now he lives in Bombay. And him and a few of his friends, they do a podcast.
Okay.
And he's so my type, but he's been dating, and
Is he dating?
he is dating. So in beach mein there was a period जहाँ पे मुझे लगा that he is in dating, because another friend of mine is also very interested into him, and she was like,
wow.
bro, is he still dating? And I was like, I don't think so. And then I looked into it and I realized that he is dating.
Oh,
They
that's-
sort of know each other.
We just connected on Instagram. We were supposed to meet, but I guess something came up, so I couldn't meet him
Did
in
you
Bombay.
ignore my message? So a few days back, I was watching another one of his podcast episodes, and I texted Abir in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
bro,
yeah.
be friends with dash dash. I'm really having a crush on him all over again. Take care. Bye. Good night. And I think he ignored it.
And in the morning I texted like something completely
Different.
yeah. Tell me about your favorite Bollywood movie and why it's your favorite Bollywood movie, and we're gonna start from you.
Start with me.
Yeah.
I think
Name one.
only one.
Yeah, let's start with one.
I think it has to be Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Why?
I think so. Okay, there are many times these people also complain that most of the time when they annoy me, which leads to me being pissed off
Yeah.
the entire goddamn night. And I don't know, that movie just lifts my mood up. And there are many Bollywood movies which are like, okay, chill and fun and whatever. But Zindagi actually makes sense, and you learn so much about life with so much ease. How the movie plays and how it runs. Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Ignore her. I just love the movie. I love the cast.
I'm so sorry, guys. Continue.
I love the
Continue.
cast. Okay.
Yeah, no, sorry.
I love how it's written, and it's just a feel good mood.
Who's the character you relate the most from? Who are you from Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara?
की खोज.
Kalki.
My favorite is Andaz Apna Apna.
Wow, interesting choice.
Love it. I just love it. It's not like, you just watch that movie and you're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
It's so good. I'm just thinking, who all are there in that movie? No.
Oh my god, it's so good.
It's so good.
Movie में कौन था?
Amir Khan, Salman Khan. Oh my god, they're so good. So good. No, because the comedy and everything. ये तेजा क्या है? ये तेजा.
It is a
and
nice
then
movie.
it's a nice movie.
Who
and
are,
the songs.
who are you?
In that,
Yeah. Balla. Robert.
Robert. No. I love Amir Khan and even Salman Khan. Both are so good in that movie. Yeah. And the song, Ye Raat aur Ye Duri, Tera Milna. And the
I'm a great singer, just.
Yeah.
बहुत ही अच्छी मूवी. And
Drishti has a hidden talent which she should keep hidden.
that's a God gift. Please return it to the God.
What's your favorite?
My favorite film. I actually realized that I asked this question, but like for me, it's the most difficult to answer every time because I can't select one. But for this video, I would say actually, I'll say DDLJ. I love Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. I'll tell you why.
Baba
Because
Shah Rukh Khan
no. Because it's like a movie which has everything, and I like entertainment. So
Everything में क्या आता है बाबा तुम्हारे लिए?
एवरीथिंग में सब आता है. एवरीथिंग में अब देखो मतलब ऐसे शरारत भी दिखा दी, रोमांस भी दिखा दिया, इमोशनल भी दिखा दिया.
कौन कर रहा है?
शाहरुख खान कर रहा था ना स्टार्टिंग
अमरीश
में.
पुरी ने करी. असली शरारत अमरीश पुरी ने करी है. क्या लास्ट में क्या होता है वो जो कबूतर कैसे देते क्या?
आओ
वो सबसे बड़ी शाहरुख खान से
No, I think it's a complete package movie which gives you all kind of emotions. So
I love मंदिरा बेदी in it. उसकी लव स्टोरी पूरी नहीं हो पाई यार बेचारी की.
Mandira Bedi is
No,
Oh, the
Mandira
haircut.
Bedi.
The boycott.
What do you mean? The haircut.
The boycott.
Mandira Bedi is
I
the
know,
girl
I
who
know,
plays
I know.
like वो
She
लड़के
wears
की
bindi and
हाँ
sari and
हाँ,
everything.
वो सारी आंटियों ने पहनी है मूवी में बट
Everything में मुझे समझ आया बाबा को क्या समझ में आया रोमांस अच्छा लगा शाहरुख खान पिट भी गया लड़की भी लेके चला गया
मारा भी
मारा भी
मारा भी
यही है बाबा तुम्हारा एवरीथिंग
हाँ सब कुछ
हंसी
है ना
बाबा कॉमेडी कहाँ थी यार
कॉमेडी क्यों नहीं थी डीडीएलजे में कॉमेडी नहीं थी बहुत कॉमेडी
कॉमेडी
थी
आओ आओ कॉमेडी सब सारी
बट अच्छा टेल मी योर फेवरेट थिंग टू डू इन न्यूयॉर्क
For me, I think going to coffee places and just like chilling and maybe coexisting with friends and working on my own thing. I've always done it, but I started to do it a lot recently. And I go to West Village a lot. We've been there together.
Yeah.
And it's just, it's nice. Like sometimes you don't even need music. There's some noises and all around you which just do the atmosphere and the ambience so right, and it's nice to work there. I love it. And after that, another thing we discovered, so other day Rupali and we walked home like 35-40 minutes, and I realized that I love when it's quiet and it's nice, and at night there are just two friends and talking about random stuff.
It's not that quite like LA, but I loved it.
Yeah. But it was so nice. Like you
Bless you,
wouldn't
Baba.
feel
Thanks. I'm actually kind of sick, guys.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
bless you. So yeah, that's my favorite thing.
What's your favorite thing?
I don't know.
You don't want to know.
So I've also started doing the same thing, like sitting in the cafe and doing my thing, like doing my thing in my laptop. I love it. And sometimes I do matcha tea.
You do matcha
Too
tea.
much.
Like I like matcha tea.
I do matcha tea.
Okay, Rupali has a habit. So every time she will eat something which she sort of avoids because she loves it so much, but it's not good for health. Every time you give her like one sip or one bite, she'll be like, "Oh yes,
Oh my god.
oh my god."
Yeah, like today in the morning I was doing that. Yeah.
We had a croissant and every bite
And the matcha tea.
and the matcha tea, and she's like, "Oh my god."
So good.
Oh, so good. I was like, Rupali, I got it. Like, once I got it.
But you have to cherish it, bro. Then what's the
Like,
point?
cherish it to that level.
Yeah, you have to enjoy every bite.
Scariest encounter in New York City.
I have. Oh, no, you continue. You continue.
Honestly, because I'll have to think. I don't think I've had any.
Go.
Oh, I had.
Go.
So when I came here, one of my friend, he was like, "Oh, let's go hang out with these people. They're like really cool. They're from our school." I was like, "Yeah, fine." And then we went there, and we hanged out with everyone. सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था. फिर एकदम से
कितनी सीरियस स्टोरी सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था
यार ये
क्राइम पेट्रोल
नहीं सुनना तो फिर क्या हुआ
अच्छा चल रहा था
अच्छा चल रहा था फिर हम न्यूपोर्ट गए थे ना
Yeah.
हाँ न्यूपोर्ट में थे एंड देन वी हैव टू कम बैक टू ऑल द वे टू मैनहट्टन तो
So
हमने
Newport is in Jersey.
जर्सी या
Yeah.
एंड वी यूज्ड टू लिव इन मैनहट्टन
Yeah.
या तो वहाँ से जब हमने ट्रेन पकड़ी ट्रेन के लिए वेट कर रहे थे तभी तो एकदम से एक होमलेस आया एंड वाज लुकिंग एट मी आई वाज लाइक या फाइन है कोई मुझे पता नहीं एंड देन वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड वाज देयर विद मी उसने स्टोरी जो बताई थी इन लोगों को वो बहुत डिफरेंट है जो स्टोरी उसने बताई कि मैं तो हीरो था मैंने आई सेव्ड हर आई वाज लाइक नो 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 डोंट डू एनीथिंग शी इज माय फ्रेंड ओ माय गॉड डोंट बॉदर हर शी इज गेटिंग रियली स्कैर्ड
watches this?
I mean, he knows that, and he's like, oh, whatever. But then I was really scared because he was just looking at me and going from here. Then it's like, should I curse?
Yeah, it's fine.
नहीं it's fine तो मेरे लिए तुम्हारे लिए
On
fine.
YouTube, I beep it anyways because monetize नहीं कर पाते.
तू बीप कैसे करता है मुझे पता है पूरा लास्ट तक आएगा so that people know what is she talking about.
I don't beep. I'll tell you how I beep. I'll be like, if you're saying mother, it will sound like mother.
अरे यार कसम से ये नहीं डालना है यार गाइस
अच्छा ठीक है story or somewhere else only you're going. Come back.
हाँ तो फिर he started saying this bitch has an attitude problem what she thinks about herself and I was like what me are you talking about me he's like yeah she has ego problem and I'm like what has happened bro I don't know you and then he went back somewhere and then he came again and he's like oh she's that psychiatrist
Psychiatrist.
yeah and I was like what I'm like really aloof I'm a kind of person who's like in my own utopian world, which I feel like it's amazing, but sometimes it's not, because you have to be really aware of where you are, especially in city like New York. And then धीरे से knife निकाल ली उसने. And then I was like, okay, whatever, why is he doing that? And my friend is like, उसने अभी knife निकाल ली है. And I'm like, fuck, what should I do? मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए था, but I was like sitting there and I was like, अगर मैं यहाँ पे मरती हूँ, अगर इसने मुझे चाकू मार दिया, कितनी सैड स्टोरी नहीं होगी. न्यूयॉर्क आके एक होमलेस से मर गई,
वो भी पहले महीने के अंदर.
वो भी पहले महीने के अंदर. मैं कहा ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा, ये तो बहुत ही इतनी मेरे लिए मतलब ऐसी बात हो जाएगी यार लाइफ में कि ओ माय गॉड, ट्रैजिक होना चाहिए ना कुछ भी. फिर उसके बाद
ये ट्रेजिक ही होगा.
फिर उसके बाद and he's like, I don't know what happened, and the cop came and then he was like, what happened, and he rescued, and then he left, the guy left. So it was like really detrimental for me, but by the time I could have realized कि क्या हुआ, मैं अपने घर पे थी. Yeah.
Damn. My
इसका reaction है
Can
सर.
we
Damn.
made a
क्योंकि because we have heard it a lot of times and then she also made a short film out of it.
She made a movie on it.
You shouldn't tell that, guys.
That-
Oh, you have to edit that movie, bro. Oh shit. It's been like 2-3 months.
It's been more.
No,
It's been 2-3 months. You have to edit.
They shot it in January.
No.
Yeah.
January.
January, February. Anyways, I'll tell you my.
March भी बोल दे ना.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you
यार
my.
बाबा तूने क्या मेरा भूल कैसे गई, मैंने मूवी बनाई, तूने एडिट क्यों नहीं किया यार अभी तक.
गलत याद दिला दिया.
आज तो तू करेगा, तू एडिट करेगा.
Yeah. So my scariest would be, I think I've talked about it
Oh yes,
पहले भी.
it was scary.
ये सुन ना, फ्रेम में से आके और मैं धीरे धीरे फ्रेम में से, बाबा कहीं है, बाबा की आत्मा, बाबा की आत्मा यही है, बाबा एलए में.
But
बाटा
पूरी स्कैरी की भाई रख दिया स्कैरी को पूरा.
Language.
अरे लैंग्वेज गाइस, लैंग्वेज यार, ये पता है गाली नहीं देने देती यार ये. ओ
तुम अपना कर लो, मैं अपना छोड़ के चला जाता हूँ.
नहीं बाबा, नहीं बाबा, बाबा
हाँ
ये
तो
South
my
नहीं, बाबा
अरे
लोग
यार,
होते बाबा लोग होते
बोलने
साउथ
भी
दिल्ली,
देंगे.
साउथ बॉम्बे के, साउथ न्यूयॉर्क. गाइस कंटिन्यू.
Can you stop?
बाबा इज अ स्टार गाइस.
मेरी तबीयत और खराब पे खराब होती हुई लग रही है मेरे को, बट एनीवेज खत्म हो गए. हाँ तो मेरी स्कैरी स्टोरी, आई थिंक आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट बिफोर एज वेल, लाइक someone pulling out a pew in subway, but I'll tell a different one as well. So one night, like me and my friends, I don't think it was any of you guys, but we went out partying and then I was coming back home. It must be like around 1 a.m. ish, 12:30 1 a.m. ऐसा on a Friday night, which is like everyone is out during that time, like everyone is getting back home. And then I got off the subway and मैं रोड पे चल के जा रहा था और एकदम से ना मेरे को स्पीड से ऐसे कुछ आवाज़ आई कि मतलब बहुत स्पीड से कोई कार आ रही है ऐसे एकदम ऐसे. एंड देन आई वॉज जस्ट लुकिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड अ कार केम लाइक मैसिव स्पीड से. और न्यूयॉर्क में ना सड़कें ऐसी होती है, थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे ऐसे जाते हुए होती हैं, तो कार ऐसे जंप करी, मतलब ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बट ऐसे थोड़ा सा रोड से ऊपर से जंप करी मेरे सामने. और मैं जितने सेकंड में उसको यहाँ से यहाँ जाते हुए देखा, वहां तक तो वो रोल होके राइट लेफ्ट हर जगह करके टुकड़ों में बदल गई. कार अ BMW.
I've never heard this story.
Yeah, because I think this is before I met
thought you
you.
were talking about the other one.
No. And that car went into pieces. And there was a cop car, so they came. And then I don't think the guy, like, what happened to him, but it, like, literally वो कार ऐसे पूरा टुकड़ों में हो गई थी. And the scariest part is, like, I was on the sidewalk, you know, मतलब ऐसे फुटपाथ पे था मैं, और मुझे ये लग रहा था कि क्योंकि वो कार इतनी स्पीड में थी, अगर हल्का सा भी मतलब वो 2-3 सेकंड पहले अगर उसका बैलेंस लूज होता तो लाइक यू नो इट कैन बी यू एज वेल. दैट वाज रियली स्कैरी. And then the next scary is actually attached to this story, because then I saw it and I was like just shaking a little bit, you know, because when you see something like that happen. उसके बाद मैं ठीक है, मैं अपने घर से बहुत पास था, मैं चल के गया एंड मैंने बिल्डिंग, तो यहाँ न्यूयॉर्क में क्या होता है, बिल्डिंग में यू हैव टू एंटर अ कोड. सो आई एंटर्ड दैट कोड, opened the door, and there was this guy outside. He was a delivery kind of a guy. And he said, can you let me in? And I said, he was just standing right behind me, right? And he looked suspicious, but he had like delivery packages. And I was like, yeah, let me see. And I entered the code. I quickly opened the door. Like, there are two doors. So I opened the first door. He entered behind me. I quickly opened the second door and I closed it. And he was like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? And he started banging the door, like banging the second door. He's like, why would you do that? Do you think I'm crazy? Do you think this, that? And I just ran upstairs and my roommate opened up the door and I told him, like, but that was like back to back scary episodes.
But what if he's not scary?
The thing is, I'm not saying he might have been a regular delivery guy who might have been frustrated, but the problem is, I am not supposed to let him in.
Yeah.
जिसका पैकेज है और रात को 1-1:30 उनका कौन सा बंदा के डिलीवरी कर रहा है. एंड second thing is, अगर मैंने उसको लॉक करा तो the way he bursted out like right away, like started banging, like who does that?
Bro, New York is very scary that way. Like sometimes I honestly feel bad also, and I'm like कि कैसे कुछ help करें या नहीं. But then you see a reflex action in such a way that you're like, no, it's better to safeguard our own selves first because it can go to another level. Like I've had people. So एक चीज़ याद आई मुझे. So ना पहले I used to live in FIDI Financial District जहाँ मेरा कॉलेज था, और एक दिन ऐसे ही रात को my friends and I, we were like, okay, let's go grab some cookies, and the place was like 7 minutes walk or something, and I was walking around so were my friends, and we were up, and as it was 11:30 or something, but the place was quite lively, that area, and a homeless person was sitting, ठीक है, and like sidewalk पे he was sitting, he was right there, and we crossed him, nothing at all. Suddenly we stopped talking for a second, like ऐसे ही होता है ना बीच में, you're शांत, and that person came running towards us with like a knife in his hand, and we were like, what the hell? And literally my friend pushed me like, Drishti, and I was like, bro, and then he went under a tree, like सामने ऐसे वो पार्क सा था, एक ट्री था, और वहाँ पे जाके बैठ गया, and he like started crying जोर से. And this happened Wall Street पे, like right after New York Stock Exchange. ये था 2021, my freshman year.
Damn.
And I was like, what on earth was that? But उसके बाद से touchwood मेरे साथ ऐसा कोई incident नहीं हुआ है.
I think
That's why I forget about it.
everyone has like crazy stories.
So, but
उनके
yeah.
first year में.
Yeah.
So one day I was coming back from school to my apartment. So there was this homeless guy, and
तो
he
भाई
was
इसके homeless.
no, yeah. There's something about me and the homeless people. I don't know what it is. There's this really
They attract each other.
strong connection. Yeah, that is. And I'm not even kidding. There is a strong connection, guys. I don't know. Maybe I was a homeless.
You still are.
अभी भी हूँ, but मुझे लगता है पिछले जन्म में मैं कभी.
चल ठीक है, आगे बोल.
हाँ, तो पता है क्या हुआ? So
भूल गई.
No, भूल गई मैं सही में. So
no, भूल गए वैसा ही में.
So when I was coming back from school, there was this homeless guy. He was walking right next to me, and I didn't notice. I was listening to songs and everything. And then the moment I noticed it, and I was like, shocked, this is the homeless guy. And I started running. And then and he came right, like he was there, and he yelled at me saying, don't get scared, I won't harm you, honey. And I was like, oh my God. I felt so bad that,
Yeah.
that person, he was like, I don't know why you have to be really conscious about all those people, but I don't know, I felt really bad. I was like, oh my God, I shouldn't have
But
done
it's-
that.
it's all-
Should I hug him? I'm like, no. What if he has a knife? Then that would be a problem.
It has also to do with the fact that, we're not from here. So, like, we
Yeah.
also have to watch out for ourselves, like, be careful. I think podcast करते हुए ना मेरे दिमाग में ऑलरेडी एडिटिंग चल रही होती है, तो मेरे को लगता है सामने वाला इतना बोल रहा है, क्या फायदा, कट जाएगा.
तुम्हारा फिर से कट
Then
जाएगा.
they say I act like Kalki.
अच्छा तो बता रही है, पर तू थोड़ा भटक गई इधर.
हर कोई हर किसी से 2
एक
क्वेश्चन
question
पूछेगा.
पूछेगा.
नहीं 2 क्वेश्चन मतलब सॉरी, हर कोई हर किसी से एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, एज एन हाँ, लाइक पर पर्सन 2 क्वेश्चन. नो, आई एम गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. बेसिकली तू मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछेगी, इससे क्वेश्चन पूछेगी, गो.
First you guys start.
अरे नहीं मैं क्या बाबा.
As it is, तुम्हें इतना कुछ पूछना होता है.
पूछ एक क्वेश्चन
किससे
दृष्टि से और फिर मेरे से.
अच्छा. What you dislike about New York City?
अरे ये तो हाँ.
how do you deal with the situations when you're feeling like, you know, you're really low and demotivated at times?
Thought that comes into my head is like, it's just time, it will pass. Like, this shall too pass. It's one of those things. So anytime I'm feeling low, I'll be in that state. But then I never lose my confidence even in that state. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा है कि this is part of life. Like, life में अगर एकदम से ही तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा तो it won't be fun. You have to go through instances, and everything is about timing. So when the timing is right, you will get it. So I keep all these things in the back of my head, and I think about it every single day. But then, when you feel low, like, you cry a little bit, and then you think of things which might change your mood because you don't want to stay in that constant mood. और हमेशा रोके कोई फायदा भी नहीं होता. So you just have to pick yourself up. That's how I deal with it.
I have to ask you something.
Yeah.
So, you always like help me whenever I'm a little messed up. You
Yeah.
too. So you always keep telling me that, act practically or like think wisely and so much. But I know you do that. I don't know how to do that. Like, do you suppress your emotions or do you ignore them? Because sometimes
I don't think that's
I
a
don't
good
know
idea
how
to suppress or
yeah. So I'm
your
like, how
emotions.
to be practical in this situation? Like, what can you do about it?
I mean, yeah,
You are
answer
getting
the question.
affected
Okay.
emotionally also.
So again, like, I would say, like, everyone is a different person, right? How, like, I would deal with a certain thing might be different. Like, हो सकता है 5 लोग तुझे कोई एडवाइस दें, कोई भी एडवाइस तेरे लिए काम ना करे, हो सकता है 5 में से किसी की एक एडवाइस काम कर दे, राइट? बिकॉज आई स्पीक फ्रॉम माई personal experience or whatever, but then at the same time I do understand that you and me are different people. The whole thing is कि क्या होता है, सबको ना समझ अपने आप ही आता है इवेंचुअली. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि मैं कितना भी बोल लूँ या ये कितना भी बोल ले या तू कितना भी बोल ले. जब अकल आनी होगी, अकल एज इन नॉट इन अ नेगेटिव वे, आई एम सेइंग कि जब भी वो
learn
चीज
from your
या यू डू. एंड also the age you're in, like, I've been through that phase where I used to feel a certain way, but then eventually I learned that life is about these ups and downs. Like, किसी की भी life ऐसे नहीं चलती, वरना it will be boring. So it is about like this wave kind of a thing. But one thing I would say is that, again, like, you should, this is what my mom says as well, like, सिचुएशन कितनी भी हार्ड हो, कुछ भी हो, बट वो जो सेल्फ बिलीफ होता है ना, वो कभी नहीं खोना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ दैट इज गॉन, then you can, it's very hard to fix that. बाकी सब fixable है किसी ना किसी वे में, but self belief should always stay there.
सोच समझ के पूछना.
Yeah, I'm thinking. How do you deal with people who don't like you? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question. So in general, I'm a really nice person. That's what I believe.
Yeah, I can vouch for that.
Yeah. So like nice, like I won't be like bullying you or something. If you're like really close friend of mine, then I'm gonna, bro, तब तो तुम गए मतलब मैं बहुत मजाक उड़ाती हूँ. But if somebody doesn't like me, they are nice to me. I don't know why. They'll be bitching about me behind my back that, oh, she, because I'm that happy-go-lucky person who is like always cracking jokes and laughing and fooling around. But the thing is, sometimes people get offended, and I got to know that, and इसने मुझे थोड़ा सुधारा है पहले से. I have to make sure that people are comfortable, like whom I'm cracking my jokes with, because some people take it really personally and that's not good. So मतलब ऐसे ही जैसे कुछ सपोजिटली देखते मैंने कुछ येलो पहना है तो ये बोला, अरे आज तो तू ऑटो लग रही है and I like and I laugh but ऐसे people get offended, and I'm not that kind of person who will just go randomly to the people, अरे तुम ऑटो लग रहे हो, नहीं तुम ट्रैक्टर लग रहे हो. I'm not gonna say that, but sometimes people really get offended even if I'm like not doing anything. I'm just laughing, and right now also when the podcast started and everything, these people are talking really serious and I'm like and I'm like I started laughing, thinking about something. So people get offended. Like sometimes they're doing something and I started laughing and they're like, oh, she's laughing at me. Oh my God, that's so bad. And that happens. But I feel like I'm really nice to everyone. Even if I know they don't like me, it's okay. I make peace with that. I have a problem if my close friends are really feeling bad about something I said or something bothering them, then I'm gonna, confront them. Otherwise, I follow his rule now. पहले आई यूज टू लाइक रियली गेट मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ता था बट
पड़ता था
फर्क पड़ता था आई यूज टू गिव to all those people, but now I'm like, okay, it's fine. If you're a nice person, right? I'm not saying about myself. If you have problem with someone, just go and confront them. Dude, I don't like this. And if they're not that close to you, how does it matter?
Yeah,
So, and I mean, I have to accept that some of the things, like, I'm really naive in a way that I'm like, I'm joking around. I care, but I'm like so in a mood that मुझे कभी-कभी पता नहीं चलता how it's going to affect someone or someone. तो इसने मुझे बिठाया and he was like, listen, dude, like you have to calm your like, just chill. थोड़ा मतलब ये joke नहीं ले पाएंगे and they are like really serious type of people and everything and I get that.
But it's this is the thing, like I think आजकल like लोग there was a thing and I was talking about myself, I was saying it about myself, like mentioned it, this is the thing I dislike about myself and someone else got offended.
Yeah,
they were like, how can you say that about yourself, like that is not something you should say. And I'm like, but it's about me, I can say whatever I want to say about me.
I mean, yeah, you don't
So,
even have right to
आजकल-
say something about yourself as well because people get offended with everything.
But then you have to understand कि if someone is getting offended on everything, then वो उनका वो built in ही है कि उनको like even if you're breathing, like they might get offended,
Yeah,
I think
so just move on. मेरा तो रूल है, सबको बोले भाई कैसा लग रहा हूँ, मस्त लग रहा है भाई कैसा लगा, मस्त लगा.
बट नहीं, आबिर कभी भी किसी बारे में कुछ गलत नहीं उसे कोई परफॉर्मेंस गंदा नहीं लगता, उसे कोई मूवी वो कुछ
नहीं उसे लगता है बट
वो बताता नहीं है.
बट वो बताता तभी when you're close friends.
हाँ, तो वही अगर जैसे हम
तो
बैठे
अभी
तो हमें पता
मैं
है.
भी अब इसी की पॉलिसी यूज करती हूँ कि नाउ आई एम लाइक
Best policy.
हाँ अब कीप इट माय.
क्योंकि क्या लोग अगर आपसे जो आपका क्लोज नहीं है और वो आपसे पूछेगा ना कैसा लगा, तो वो यही सुनना चाहता है कि आप बोला भाई तूने तो मस्त एकदम मचा दिया यार, क्या फाड़ के रख दिया यार.
सुनना चाहती हूँ बस एक डिपार्टमेंट में,
But
मेरे खाने के बारे में.
तेरे खाने भाई इतना खराब खाना बनाती है औरत.
खाने के बारे ये तो कंट्रोवर्शियल पूछ लिया तुमने, दंगे हो जाएंगे.
मैं ही करूँगी.
नहीं खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती है. इट्स जस्ट दैट कच्चा रहता है, नमक कम रहता है.
How much do you think a relationship is important in a person's life?
I think it's very like any sort of relationship.
No,
like
like a love kind of relationship.
a romantic relationship. I think it's very important. For me personally,
at this age, इस age में.
at this age,
I know Rupali's answer. Rupali कहेगी नहीं है.
no. At this age, it's not like it's not a priority, but in life it is very important, and I don't know because I'll say so many things. It's very important to have your person because friends and all are always there and they are a fun bit. But your person is something different in a way of how you two feel together, how you understand things without anything. And one thing I would always want from a relationship is that the efforts should be willing. Like you should put efforts because you want to, not because someone else wants you to. There's a very fine difference. And if someone gives that to me, so they just make me happy and I would love to do that for them and coexist in a very holy, nice manner. And it is important for me because I'm also an emotional person. I love genuinely without being cringe. Yeah. And even if at this stage it's true.
Like, share, subscribe.
Lastly, just give a thought of the day. Final thought. Any thought that comes to your mind.
Live and let live.
Guys, be happy, work on yourself and be positive. Keep laughing.
Don't laugh like that, but keep laughing.
Believe in yourself.
And
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe.
All right, like, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.
Press the bell icon.
हाँ, do press the bell icon and
करूँ नहीं तो कोई नहीं करेगा.
press the bell icon. You wanna say it?
Guys, like, share, subscribe. Press the
ठीक है.
bell icon below.
Now
Links in description.
हो गया. हाँ, links in description. हाँ, इसका production house follow कर लो.
Please follow my production house, guys.
और
Please.
इसकी रिक्वेस्ट लिस्ट और भर दो, पर ये एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी. और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो कर लो. नाउ वी आर जस्ट गोना वॉक ऑफ. ओके, रेडी? 3 2 1 गो. मूव. अब देख ले एक बार प्ले हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा.